Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Summers Point, New Jersey. Today, this is a 2017 Scout 255 LXF. This boat's powered by twin 150 Yamaha 4-strokes. Boat's all serviced here with us in New Jersey in Summers Point. This guy, the current owner, likes to fish with it, so it's lift cap, no bottom paint. You have a ski pylon, it's right here. You have a cup holder, rod holders across the back, never enough. Your walk-through coming in. A couple more rod holders here in the gunnels. Got your rod racks in the side. Has a nice aft folding chair, so when you're just out kind of kicking back, you can sit down. If you're going to be fishing, you fold it up out of the way. It stows, which is real nice to have. Here's your leaning post. Cup holder, 2 more rod holders on each side. Great prep area. Additional storage under here. And you also too have a Yeti pull-out cooler, so very easy to move around the boat. This boat also too has a curtain package, so there's 4 pieces, 2 on each side, so this way anybody fishing in the Northeast knows that's a great thing to have. Coming up here to the helm, Edson tilt wheel. You have Lenco trim tabs with indicator lights, 2 different screens. You got your compass up here. You have a little ventilation up. What's nice about this model is you have the glass enclosure, and it's not like isinglass or plastic, anything like that, or acrylic. Grab handles, you get your speakers up front. You also have your rocket launchers up here. VHF radio, he has taco outriggers, but it's very well equipped. Coming forward, a shot here of the head area. So this is all his cushions and everything that are inside the boat. And there's his batteries and everything because it has a trolling motor on it. There's all your batteries. Coming up here to the front, very well set up boat. So it's a Minn Kota trolling motor. As we come up here, you can see. Great for doing your spot lock and getting into those holes. You got through hull windlass. Again, you have all your cushions up here, storage up under here, cup holders. It has removable backrests, and nice seating right here as well. This boat's in really nice condition, very well maintained by MarineMax here in Summers Point. So again, if you want to see this boat or any other boat, give us a call at 609-926-0600. And this is a great center console for somebody that's looking to get out there that does everything, literally. See you on the water.